All right, AGM came out with a really cool new product that we want to show you guys. They sent us one to check out. This is their new Scissor Jack. Best part about it, 2,000 pounds, so it's good for the side-by-sides, and it's $100. So I'll be honest, I haven't opened it up yet. I haven't laid my eyes on it. I've seen some videos and I've seen it on their website, so I'm excited to open it up and take a look at it and kind of mess around with it here on my Xpedition. So let's see what it comes with. All right, so super well packaged, just like all AGM stuff. I don't know if this little cheap box cutter is going to cut these zip ties. It did. All right. So first impression, I like how big that bottom plate is. That's really cool. It's got a little strap to carry it, which is pretty sweet. Got a little cradle to get into whatever, if you're gonna do it off your A-arm or whatever you're gonna use as a jack point. And then it's got some tool options. Get a knife. So I believe, I'm 99% sure this will work with an impact, but if you don't have an impact, it comes with a drill adapter. So you can put this onto any normal drill, and it will raise and lower from there. And then it has this wrench that will raise and lower from there also. All right, let's try it out. We're gonna grab our jack and our impact and see if we can get this bad boy off the ground. So this is a long travel Xpedition with 32s. So we'll see how it does with a heavy car with a decent amount of travel. I'm gonna go, I think right there. Oh. And we're off the ground, ready to change that tire. Pretty impressed with that. That was super quick. All right, if you're anything like me and you might not charge up your batteries enough, it does come with the manual option here with this little wrench. Wrong way. So there's always option to crank it and get that tire off the ground. It's actually a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Obviously not as easy as the impact, but it does work if you need to do that. If you don't have your impact, hopefully you have some other way to get your tire off if you're doing this for a flat, but it does work. You can get the tire off the ground that way. So we're ready to change. So cool option, cool jack. Hard to beat for $100. It's easy to carry, easy to get around, jack up any corner of your car and swap out your tires.